I found more fulfillment from working on smaller projects that I can complete sooner because I really like being able to publish something and put it out into the world. Yeah, my name's Keegan. I work as a JavaScript developer at Finsweet. I also have a YouTube channel under a name Webflow, and you'll find me on Twitter under that same name too.
What's your story with Finsweet? How do you discover the company?
I actually was starting my freelancer career on Upwork, and my very first client on Upwork wanted me to use a filtering system to filter a bunch of job listings. And I knew that was possible in Webflow natively with a category system that's a little bit complicated and redirects you to other URLs, but he wanted a dynamic system, and that's how I stumbled on Finsweet. And I was like, wow, how can this be offered for free? And just got really into all the stuff that the company offers and thought it was my dream company to work for. And luckily enough, I work for them now. So pretty cool. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And so why not? Like, what's a typical day for you at Finsweet?
Yeah, good question. A typical day is usually like checking out what's going on in Slack. Like everything, all of our communication happens in Slack. And then just writing code on top of Webflow. I used to do Webflow development specifically, never for Finsweet, just on my own, but I was hired as a JavaScript developer to build stuff on top of existing Webflow sites. So my day is usually, I have Webflow open, but I'm actually mostly in VS Code writing code on top of some Webflow stuff to make custom functionality, whether that's sliders, calculators, whatever, yeah.
And so as a more technical JavaScript developer, what you think is the most important quality you need to have to succeed in your job?
Persistence. Stuff will not work the first time. It is hard to learn. It's been a very challenging skill to develop. But if you're persistent and you continue and try to, you have to be exploratory too, but you asked for the one most important one. So I think persistence, yeah.
Okay, and if you have someone who's inspired by your career, about what you do you have like one piece of advice to share with them?
One piece of advice for me, I started and I always wanted like a bigger project and to work on something that was gonna, blow me up or make my name big. But I found more fulfillment from working on smaller projects that I can complete sooner because I really like being able to publish something and put it out into the world. And I think that's why YouTube I really enjoy because, I can make a video in a day or 2 days or whatever, and you can put it out into the world. And so my advice then would be to focus on a project that you can complete and feel confident about completing and pushing. And I see a lot of new developers getting into larger projects that might be beyond the skill set. And that's what I did personally. And it was just stressful and sucked. So yeah, that's my advice if I could give some. Thanks for asking.
Nice. And so you have one opportunity to share whatever you want right now. Please feel free.
Yeah. I've really enjoyed connecting with everybody through Webflow and just through this whatever companies we're starting and whatever businesses we're trying to build. And the way I enjoy connecting is by solving problems. So whether I can help you solve a problem or you can help me, I think that's kind of why we've all been meeting and enjoying each other's time together. So yeah, that's what I would say.
Nice. So in the description of this video, you will have all the links of the YouTube channel, the Twitter. So please subscribe and be sure if you need any help to reach Keegan. Thanks to answer our question, Keegan. We have a special gift for you. It's a Digidop tea, the Webflow boulder tea. As a boulder, I think, and I hope you will like it.
I like this branding. Merci beaucoup.